still waiting to get an engine stand, and I'm too impatient to wait, so I'm gonna start tearing this thing apart. Well, I know what's wrong with it, but I gotta figure out what caused it. All right, fan deleted. I'm gonna end up doing an electric water pump, or no, not an electric water pump. That's too much digitals. I'm gonna do an electric fan. It's not supposed to have oil on the crankshaft pulley. Could be wrong though. Open sesame. I'm supposed to take it off in a certain order, but there's like a 90% chance that I'm not going to reuse this, and I don't I don't care. All right, it's time for this to come off. Oh fuck. The slight chance that I was going to reuse that was destroyed by the fact that that thing weighs like fucking 80 pounds. I'm trying to get at least a little bit of fuel mileage out of this behemoth, and saving that much weight is pretty. It's coming out. Oh. Is it? Oh. Damn it. One of the cylinders is cracked. Fuck. Can't rebuild this. Damn it. Alright, so I had this other block laying around. I pulled it out of my Corvette and I parted it out. I made a cool amount of money off of it, but now I kind of wish I had all the parts, because I can't really use anything off the other block. The camshaft was snapped into 4 pieces, and I could probably use the cylinder heads. And I had the crankshaft was fucked on the other motor, but this crankshaft came out of this. It's about the only thing I didn't sell, because I didn't have a harmonic balancer puller. And look, got one. It was like 20 bucks. But it's been sitting outside for a couple years, so there is some rust in there, but the cylinders are still in decent condition. Gotta clean up the lifter bores. Need some work, but this'll do nicely.